If your Asus laptop displays Windows boot failed or no operating system found, it means your system can't locate the necessary files to start Windows. This often stems from software issues like corrupted boot files or, less frequently, hardware problems such as a failing SSD or loose connections. First, power off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter. Then, if you're comfortable, open the laptop and check the connections to the SSD or hard drive. Reseat the drive and RAM modules to ensure they are properly connected. A loose connection is a common cause. To access UEFI or BIOS settings on your Asus laptop, first restart the computer. As it begins to start up, repeatedly press the F2 or delete key to enter the BIOS setup. The exact key varies by model, so check your laptop's manual if needed. Once in the UEFI interface, navigate to the boot settings and ensure your primary drive, where Windows is installed, is listed as the first boot option. This ensures the system tries to boot from your Windows drive first. Next, confirm that Secure Boot is enabled. This security feature helps protect your system by only allowing trusted software to load during startup. For Windows 11 compatibility, also disable the Compatibility Support Module, or CSM. To create a Windows Recovery USB, start on a working computer. Download the Windows Media Creation Tool from Microsoft's official website. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space. Make sure it's empty or you don't mind losing the data on it. Run the Media Creation Tool and select Create Installation Media for another PC. Choose your language, edition, and architecture, then select USB flash drive as the media type. Insert your USB drive and let the tool create the bootable recovery drive. Once complete, this USB will allow you to boot your Asus laptop and access advanced troubleshooting options to repair the system. To boot from the USB recovery drive, start by inserting the drive into your Asus laptop. Restart the laptop and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings as described earlier. In the BIOS settings, change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. Save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Your laptop should now boot from the USB drive, allowing you to proceed with recovery options. Once booted from the USB recovery drive, select Repair Your Computer from the Install screen. Then choose Troubleshoot and navigate to Advanced Options. From Advanced Options, select Command Prompt to open a command line interface where you can repair the boot configuration. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. Start with bootrec fix MBR to repair the master boot record. Next, run bootrec's fix boot to repair the boot sector. This command writes a new boot sector to the system partition. Finally, execute bootrec/rebuild BCD to rebuild the boot configuration data. This scans for Windows installations and recreates the BCD store. These commands rebuild the critical boot files needed for Windows to start properly. If successful, restart your computer and remove the USB drive. If rebuilding the boot configuration data doesn't resolve the boot issue, you can try System Restore from the Advanced Options menu. This tool reverts your system files to a previous working state without affecting your personal files. From the System Restore window, choose a restore point that was created before the boot issues began. This ensures you're reverting to a time when your system was functioning properly. Confirm your selection and proceed with the restore. The system will restart and apply the changes, which may take several minutes to complete. Important note: after System Restore completes, any applications installed after the chosen restore point may need to be reinstalled, as the restore only affects system files and settings. When all other troubleshooting steps have failed, a clean install of Windows becomes the last resort option. This process will completely erase your existing installation and start fresh, so it's crucial to back up your important files first. Before proceeding, connect an external drive and use backup software to save your personal files, documents, and any data you want to keep. Tools like Ome Backupper can help create a complete backup of your system or selected files. Once backed up, restart your laptop and boot from the USB recovery drive you created earlier. This will load the Windows installation environment. In the Windows Setup window, choose the Custom Installation option. Select your primary drive and proceed with the installation. Windows will format the drive and install a fresh copy of the operating system. Remember, this process will permanently erase all data on your primary drive. If you're uncomfortable performing this yourself, or if you need to recover important data, consider seeking help from a professional technician or Asus support.